MAYEKAWA's nitrogen gas generating system is based on PSA technology. PSA stands for pressure swing adsorption. This system produces nitrogen gas from the air by utilizing special carbonate molecular sieves. The composition of ordinary air is 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and about 1% other gases such as carbon dioxide or argon. By removing the oxygen from this air, nitrogen gas is produced. The biggest advantage of the PSA nitrogen gas generating system is its very low power consumption. The electric power consumption of our PSA system is approximately 2/3 that of the ordinary membrane system. Thus, high energy savings can be achieved, especially by large capacity type PSA systems. The size of conventional PSA systems used to be much larger than that of the membrane system. However, the innovation of absorber technology has solved this problem, and now our PSA system is about as small as the membrane system. MAYEKAWA's PSA nitrogen gas generating system consists of an air compressor unit, an air filter unit, and a PSA unit. The air compressor unit consists of the air compressor, where the intake air is compressed, and air dryer, where the moisture is removed. The air filter unit consists of twin air filters and an activated carbon tank. After the air dryer stage, the compressed air is fed to the air filter unit, where oil or impure substances are completely removed by the air filters. Our activated carbon tank prevents substances from entering the absorbents, even in the event of a malfunction in the air dryer or air filters. The PSA unit consists of 2 or more pairs of absorbing tanks and a buffer tank. The dried and cleaned compressed air is fed to the PSA unit, and nitrogen gas is produced by means of removing the oxygen in the absorbing tank. The produced nitrogen gas is then accumulated in the buffer tank so that delivery pressure to the cargo tank can be kept constant. Let's take a look at how the PSA system functions. The compressed air is fed to one of the absorbing tanks and only oxygen is absorbed. This is called the adsorbing process. Continuing this process over a certain period saturates the absorbent with oxygen. After the adsorbent in this tank is saturated with oxygen, the tank pressure is equalized to another tank for several seconds. This is called the equalizing process. And after this, the absorbents are recovered by purging the pressure inside at once. This is called the desorbing process. By repeating the adsorbing and desorbing processes alternately between one tank and another, it is possible to continuously produce nitrogen gas. In MAYEKAWA's PSA system, molecular sieving carbon, or MSC, is used as absorbents. Palm shell or coke used to be used as absorbents in conventional PSA systems. However, MAYEKAWA utilizes new carbonate absorbents made from special phenol resin. MSC used in our PSA system is cylindrical, 1 mm in diameter and 2 to 5 mm in length. Here we can see how the adsorbing and desorbing processes are carried out on this adsorbent. Innumerable microscopic holes exist on the surface of the absorbent. The size of these holes is larger than that of an oxygen molecule, but smaller than that of a nitrogen molecule. When the compressed air is supplied to this adsorbent, only the smaller oxygen molecules are absorbed. By pressurizing the adsorbent for a certain period, they are enriched and saturated with oxygen. And depressurizing these adsorbents to the ambient pressure, the oxygen molecules are completely removed and they are ready for the next adsorbing process. Furthermore, we are continuously engaging in the development of improved phenol resin-based MSC for better performance. MAYEKAWA's PSA nitrogen gas generating system is also equipped with a high-performance air filter unit upstream of the absorption tanks and nitrogen gas filter downstream of the absorption tanks, thus achieving high system security and easy maintenance. The control panel of our PSA system is very simplified, as the start and stop of the system can be made by just pressing a button. Every model uses touchscreens, and in addition to entering the necessary set points, detailed operational status and history can be accessed easily. Adopting high-performance adsorbents made it possible to downsize the adsorbing tanks and eventually the packaging of the unit. This also contributes to less wear and damage of the system component parts, resulting in a significant reduction of maintenance cost. In addition to these advantages, MAYEKAWA's PSA units are equipped with high-performance noise-reducing silencers that can minimize the running noise and gas exhaustion noise, which used to be a big problem on the PSA system. MAYEKAWA's PSA nitrogen gas generating system is available for various marine applications such as LPG tankers, both small and large gas and chemical tankers, and other needs where a pure nitrogen gas is required. Since our company's founding in 1924, based on our experience through our commitments not only in the marine market, but also various fields in land systems and plants, we are continuously engaging in improving our nitrogen gas generating system, which is being updated on a day-to-day basis. Using our company's networks around the world, MAYEKAWA can provide vessels with fast, customer-friendly support and service.